I am going to be making a crispy tilapia sandwich. Y'all, look at that. You can have it as is. Get you some fresh lemon and look at that, beautiful fresh and a nice crisp on the outside. Or you can make yourself a sandwich. If you're new over here, I am Plummy and don't go nowhere. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In a separate bowl, I'm going to use 2 cups of flour, half cup of cornmeal, 1 tablespoon each, black pepper, smoked paprika, Cajun seasoning, and fish seasoning. I am only going to use 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Now I use 1 tablespoon in my flour because I am not going to season my fish, y'all. So that's the reason why I added 1 tablespoon in my flour mixture. Okay. And a pinch of salt, to boost the flavor a little bit more across. And don't forget to add your Sazon, okay? And I'm not going to use the whole pack. I'm only going to use half the pack. Then, from my flour mixture, mix this bad girl together, okay? Now in another bowl, I'm adding 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of fish seasoning. You can add whatever seasoning you want, okay? It's your food, you eating it. Just make it taste good. Mix this up together. Lovely. Make sure everything's spread throughout. That's my son, y'all. He just want to be in everything. So this is annatto, y'all. Y'all should know annatto. Annatto is one of the best food coloring, y'all. Look at that beautiful, bright, reddish, orangish color that we are looking for. We're going to try some natto. All right, guys, and annatto is really stainy. Trust when I tell you. Anyways, put your fish, your tilapia, I did not season it, like I said, in your wet butter, like I'm doing right here. All right, and right after I'm finished with that, I am going to add it to my flour and make sure that I give that a nice press. Make sure you press it down, y'all, so you want your flour to stick very well. And then on a baking sheet or on a rock preferably, I'm going to rest this. All right, y'all, put your fish to rest so that it can be set. Now in my hot oil, I am going to now fry away, y'all, and we're gonna get some nice crisp, all right, crispy golden brown tilapia fish sandwich. All right, honey. Now this is it, y'all, okay? And I hope you guys try this crispy tilapia, okay? You can have it as is right here, right now. Look at that nice golden brown color that we are looking for. Just squeeze you some fresh lemon, break away and eat. Look at that, y'all. Okay, like I said, trust the process. Try this, honey. Or you can definitely make you your sandwich. Just get your regular mayo, ketchup, and relish, mix them together. That's all I'm using. You can go in with whatever you like, whatever dressing, mayo or whatever, okay? Make you a nice at-home sandwich, fish sandwich, better than any one of them fast food out there. Trust me, home good cooked meal. All right, put your sandwich together and voila, enjoy, y'all. Don't forget, as usual, it's always from my kitchen straight on your table. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, y'all. Thank you so very much. Comment down below and let me know what you want me to do next. All right.